In Lebanon, there is a temple structure with massive stones that leave people amazed. Each stone weighs as much as 3 blue whales, and astonishingly, they were not only cut in one piece but transported from a site 1.5 kilometers away, thousands of years ago. The mystery is that no known civilization had the capability to cut and transport such massive stones. Did any ancient civilization have the knowledge and skill to accomplish what we cannot even comprehend today? To investigate, a team of German archaeologists began excavating the quarry where these stones originated. They discovered an incomplete stone weighing 1,200 tons, about the weight of 4 Boeing 747s. After digging, archaeologists found evidence that seems almost impossible to believe. Welcome back to Jam TV. Today, we'll explore Baalbek, a city in the Bekaa Valley in eastern Lebanon. It's known for Roman ruins, but below the visible Roman structures lies an even older mystery. The Romans built the Temple of Jupiter, a monumental structure showcasing their architectural skill, but the foundation of this temple is made of even larger stones. At first, it was thought that smaller stones were intricately joined to look like a single block. But after various tests, it was confirmed that these were single, massive stones known as trilithons. These stones, weighing around 900,000 kilograms each, are even heavier than the Antonov An 225, the world's heaviest plane, and 10 times heavier than the largest stones in the pyramids of Giza. The Romans, renowned for their building expertise, would usually drill specific holes known as Lewis holes into stones for lifting, but no such holes exist here, suggesting they didn't lift these trilithons. This raises questions: who built this foundation? Underneath the Temple of Jupiter lies an ancient base. Historians agree that even the largest cranes available to the Romans could only lift around 60 tons, far from what would be required for these stones. If the Romans didn't build this foundation, who did? The precision in cutting and positioning these massive stones is astounding, especially given the lack of modern machinery. There isn't even a gap the width of a sheet of paper between these stones. The Romans emphasized beauty and construction skills in their architecture, but whoever built the foundation beneath the Temple of Jupiter focused solely on strength and stability. Trilithon blocks are placed in such a way that it's almost as if the builders wanted them to remain hidden, a feature unlike anything the Romans would have done. Additionally, archaeologists found marks on the stones similar to those made by modern mining machinery, yet such tools didn't exist in ancient times. Similar tool marks have been found on stones at other ancient sites, like Yanshan Quarry in China, where a 16,000-ton stone bears similar markings. This hints at the possibility of a technology in ancient times that could cut stones with precision similar to today's tools, though no solid evidence of this technology remains. At the original quarry site, located about 1.5 kilometers from the Temple of Jupiter, unfinished stones can still be seen. The largest stone here, known as the Pregnant Woman Stone, is 68 feet long and weighs around 1,200 tons. Despite its weight, it appears the builders didn't have the chance to fully separate it from the bedrock, possibly abandoning the task midway. In 2014, archaeologists uncovered another buried stone near the Pregnant Woman Stone. This new block, estimated at 1,650 tons, is now considered the largest carved stone block known. The discovery is challenging modern engineers and archaeologists, as the methods used to carve, transport, and precisely position such massive stones remain beyond current understanding. The path from the quarry to Baalbek is not only uphill but rugged, with no evidence that an ancient direct route was constructed for moving these stones. Modern-day scientists, including engineers and archaeologists, are puzzled about how such a feat could have been achieved. Even if giant cranes were available, positioning these stones so precisely would be an unimaginable task. Some ancient texts and religious books, including the Bible, the Quran, and Hindu scriptures, mention beings with extraordinary strength, giants capable of feats beyond human ability. In the Bible, they're known as Nephilim, sometimes described as towering over 100 feet. For such beings, moving the stones of Baalbek may not have been so difficult. Thank you for watching Jam TV. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. See you in our next fascinating episode.